What's going on, guys? This is Edge Plays and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about how to stream from your Xbox to YouTube. This is a frequently asked question on my channel, and when people hear that I don't use a capture card that costs $99.95, they're really interested on how I do this, and I will tell you. Xbox has the capability to stream straight to Twitch, which is awesome, but not YouTube for whatever reason. So step one is to get your stream on the internet, and we will do this by using the built-in feature streaming Xbox to Twitch. So the first thing you want to do is click on Microsoft Store, go over to the search bar, and type in Twitch, and then select Twitch when it pops up. Then just click Get and then Install. We'll wait for it to load here. And then we'll load up Twitch. Once this loads up, you can go ahead and sign in, connect your Xbox to your Twitch account. Then all you have to do is click Broadcast up at the top here and configure your settings. For your bitrate, just click Automatic and it will test your internet to see what's the optimal bitrate for you. Then you could switch little preference settings on the side above the bitrate, the title and all that, and then all you have to do is click Start Stream. Congratulations, your stream is now on the internet. But I promised you I'd teach you guys how to stream to YouTube, not Twitch. So what you need now is to take your broadcast from the internet and put it on YouTube. And you can use a free software called OBS. It's pretty easy to learn. It looks a bit intimidating at first, but I'll walk you guys through it. Once you click the link, it'll take you to this site, obsproject.com/download. Up at the top here, we have the different operating systems that you can get the software for. You have Windows, Mac, and Linux. I'm pretty sure that is. Yes, that is Linux. In my situation, it's Mac. And you just want to go over here and click Download Installer, and it will download. Once that downloads, you'll be greeted with something that looks similar to this, but not exactly like this. That's because I've already figured out all my settings and whatnot for my own stream. I'm gonna link a separate tutorial on some more complex things you can do with OBS, like face cam, the donation and subscriber messages, and all that stuff if you want to get more advanced. But for now, I'll tell you all the settings you need to get your first stream up and running. First, you want to go down to Scenes, create your first scene, and you get this blank canvas area. You want to click the plus sign here, go up to browser source, say OK, and then copy and paste your Twitch dashboard URL right here. If you don't know what your Twitch dashboard URL is, going up to Twitch TV / and then your Twitch name. It will take you to this screen, and this is what you want. Once you copy and paste the URL, you could just paste it right in here. And that's my Twitch URL. Then you just click OK. You can adjust the FPS or whatever, just keep it at 30 if you don't have that good of a computer. And then you'll load up and see your Twitch dashboard. Obviously, we don't want all this extra space of like the actual Twitch dashboard. So you want to go over to Transform, Edit Transform, and then add the settings that are popping up on screen to your Edit Transform area. Once you've done that, you should get something that looks a little bit like this. All you need to do to rescale this is click and drag it all the way to the corner. It should snap right there. And that's all you really need to do here. If you really want to get advanced, you could add a little bit more of the things down at the plus sign, but you can look at the tutorial in the description for that. So if you click to start streaming right now, nothing would happen. All you need right now is to go into Settings, Stream, then copy and paste your stream key into here, and copy these settings down. Streaming service, YouTube gaming, primary YouTube, and just server. And if you want your stream key, type in YouTube, and go on over to YouTube Studio. And I prefer Creator Studio Classic because I don't know how to use the new version, to be honest. So just switch back to that. click live streaming on the side here. And then if you scroll down, you'll see something called stream name / key. You do not want to click reveal if you're on camera. So you just copy and paste that key right into here. And once you've done that, you're pretty much ready to stream if you get all that set up. But if you want your stream to look better and not laggy, you need to adjust something called the bit rate. So if you go into output, streaming right here, you gotta change your video bit rate. I have really good upload speed in my internet, and I still use 750 because if I'm streaming on my Xbox and my computer at the same time, 750 is just better for me. And when I had a horrible internet, this still worked fine. So if you guys should just put 750 in. If you feel like you could do better, then put higher, but I recommend 750. I'm gonna scroll through these and you guys can copy this down if you want. A lot of these you don't really need. And congratulations, that's the entire tutorial. All you need to do is stream on your Xbox and you'll see your screen right here. Press start streaming and your stream's up and running. If you want to watch your chat, go back to this area. This is the view I always have here. You change your thumbnail, you change your title, all that here. Stream options, you can go and change some tags. You see your chat right here. You can pop out the chat if you want. Everything you need's here. If you guys have any questions, make sure you leave them in the description. And if you need me to add any more links or tutorials to specific things, make sure you let me know in my Discord, which that link is in my description as well, or in the comment section. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.